On your home screen, find the App Store icon and tap on it. You'll see two app stores. Choose the Android App Store. First, install Blue VOD for all your favorite movies and TV series. Next, install Blue TV. This is your gateway to tons of live TV channels. Next, grab the Playback app, your chance to catch up on the most watched TV channels from the past 7 days, with top news and every sports highlight included. You can also explore the store and install other apps at your convenience. Finally, click on this plus sign to quickly access your favorite programs. Select Blue TV. Playback. The Blue VOD app.